Hey guys, welcome to Troy Time. Check it out. Today we're going to make a super quick, super easy, hot meal from the beef we just canned in another video. We're going to have beef with gravy over toast. We're going to show you how to make the gravy from the beef we canned coming up next. Okay, first up guys, we're going to use beef that we've canned. We've got about 3 heaping tablespoons of flour, and we're just going to use a little bit of water, and that's all we're really going to need. So we'll show that what it looks like in the pot next. Okay, so we drained out the contents of the broth into the pan. There is a little bit of fat in there. You can either take that out or leave it in. I'm going to leave it in for a little bit of flavor. Okay, we're going to heat this up and get this going. All right, so I added 1 cup of water to my broth, and now I'm going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of this beef bouillon. So, about that much. And stir it around. Okay, while that broth is heating up, we're going to take just a little bit of water and we're going to add it to our flour. Just a little bit at a time and stir it in. We're going to make what's called a slurry. Slurry. I'm going to have to put the camera down to do this, but I'll bring it back when I get it mixed. Okay, we use just a little less than a cup of water, and this is about the consistency that you want it. You want it to be a slurry. You want to stir it until it's smooth. Okay, our broth is heating up. It's looking much more appetizing now. And it's time to start our toast. So I'm popping 2 pieces of toast into the toaster. Now it's time to just slowly add our slurry into our broth while we stir. Okay, as that begins to thicken, I'm just going to keep stirring it, and I'm going to put in some salt and pepper. Okay, it's starting to simmer. I'm going to let it simmer for about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, I removed it from heat. I'm going to let it stand for about 3 minutes. Okay, while that's standing, we've taken out about 5 cubes of beef, and we've just forced them, shredded them apart here on the plate, and now we're going to put it in the microwave for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, the beef's out of the microwave. The toast is up and ready. Let's put them together. Let's go one more. There we go, guys. I hope that looks good to you. It looks amazing to me. Anyways, yeah, so super quick and easy. Okay, so check this out. So I showed you how to can beef. I showed you putting that beef in soba in my Super Soba video. You can check that one out. I showed you using some of that beef for quesadillas. You can check that out. And I also showed you using some of that beef to make an awesome quick weeknight chili, which I love. So now what we have here is beef with the gravy. So we put it over toast here, but this could just as easy be over rice or pasta or potatoes. So that's 4 more meals. So that's 7 different meals. So a week worth of dinners I've showed you on how to use this beef. The awesome part is, just exactly the same, we could have canned chicken in the exact same manner. If you watch my videos and you just substitute chicken every time I say beef, it's the exact same thing. And you can use it in the exact same way. So you could have chicken quesadillas, you could have chicken soba, you could have chicken in the chili, which is good, and then you can have chicken with the chicken gravy over toast like this here, or rice, or pasta, or potatoes. So that's 2 weeks worth of meals, all from using this canner. So go back and watch my canning video, get yourself a canner. It makes meals so simple and so easy. I highly recommend the Nesco Carry Canner. They're on sale. They're still like $100 on Amazon. They're awesome. It makes weeknight cooking a breeze, any cooking a breeze. So get busy, get a canner, get to canning, can some beef, can some chicken. It's good stuff, man. I hope you like the videos. This is Troy Time. It's time for me to eat. I'm out.